Four identical rectangular strips are placed on top of one another to form a square in figure 1, a square figure in figure 1, right? Now in figure 1, this is a square, which means this length right here will be equals to the breadth, which means if you assign this to be 1 unit, the entire breadth will be 4 units, which means the length over here will also take on 4 units as well. Why? Because this is a square as what they have mentioned in figure 1. Now, what happens is they are then rearranged together with a shaded square of area 36 to form a figure 2. So inside this figure 2 is a square which is 36 square cm. Find the area of one rectangular strip. Now, so basically, to do this question, we need to make use of what we have, which is the 36 square cm, which is the area of this square, which means that we can find the length of that square. Square root 36, which is 6 cm. Or if you're not familiar with the square root concept, then you can ask yourself what times what will give you 36. It has to be the same number. So 6 times 6, that will give us 36. Okay, so which means that one length here will be 6 cm. Over here as well, 6 cm. Now earlier on we found out that the longer length of your rectangular strip, let's use the red color, the longer length here is 4 units, right? 4 units. And the shorter length here is 1 unit, as what we have done here. So 6 cm represents 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, which is 3 units. And that 3 units will be equivalent to 6 cm. We are able to find 1 unit. 6 divided by 3, there will be 2 cm. Go back to your diagram. At this side here will be 2 cm. And 4 units can be found. 2 times 4, that is 8 cm. So over here is 8 cm. Alright, so we have 8 cm, we have 2 cm, we can find the area of one of this rectangular strip. 8 times 2 to give us the final answer of 16 square cm.